Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with prerequisites. Sign into the Google account tied to Play on your Android device, and make sure you have a payment method and billing address for the new country. Open a desktop browser and go to Google Payments and Play Store settings. Once done, adjust Payment Profile Country. This creates a new profile tied to that country. Make sure to clear Play Store cookies or use an incognito window so old locale data doesn't interfere. You now change the payments profile because Play reads that country. Go to Payments. Google, open Settings and choose Create New Profile, pick the target country and enter a local billing address. Add a local payment method, a card or local payment option, so Google verifies the profile. Once added, your payments profile switches, which updates Play Store country eligibility. Make sure names and address match bank records. Finish by opening Play. Google. .com/store while signed in and confirm the country reflected in the store. If you don't see the change immediately, clear browser cookies, sign out and back in, or wait up to 48 hours for propagation. If you run into errors, avoid using a VPN for account-level changes. VPNs can trigger security flags. If blocked, contact Google support with payment profile details. Once corrected, you can browse and install apps available in the new country.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.